Wow!
Welcome back to German Brew. Today again a tasting, because we already have the setup here and we can record something else. So today we have again one mead from last year. It's classic mead.
Yeah, okay.
From wildflower honey. We buy it's from Portugal, the honey. And it really just honey, black tea, water.
It's the expensive honey, or?
Yeah, that was the honey for, I think, 10 something, the 1 kilo. It's not so expensive, but more expensive than the normal honey I used there at this time. Okay, we started in April last year and finished it in September, on the 19th of September.
So you only have one bottle of this?
One bottle is only left.
So this is from Winemaking.
It's from moving. It's from last year.
Okay. So. Oh, wow. It smells so good.
Last year it was already good.
It smells like honey.
Water.
Really smells good. I'm excited what it tastes because it smells good. It smells honey and the
Water.
fruitness. Is this wild a fruit honey?
It's wildflower honey.
Wildflower.
So first of all, the color.
Wow.
It's really, really nice.
Yeah. It's so clear.
I can see the camera through it.
It's so clear.
Even the picture of the camera. Really. So smell.
So
okay, the alcohol is there. I don't know how much alcohol it has. I think maybe 13-14%. You can watch in the video here. I'll link it. Hopefully.
But it's so fruity. It's fruity.
I again have the
or flowery.
marzipan.
Ah, nice. Flowery. It's more flowery.
More flowery.
It's really have nice.
Okay,
What? Did you try?
let's try.
Oh, wow.
Really sweet.
Yeah.
Wait a second.
Oh, I like it.
Really perfect.
It's really good.
It's
You can
still sweet.
You can taste the honey. The
honey
it's
there,
a
yeah.
lot of flavor inside. It's really good. It's like the one I tried, pastons. What is the name of that?
So we in Passon.
Yeah.
I think this is more milder. Not so much.
Yeah. Also, it's more milder than, but it's really have similar taste.
Because it's more pure meat, not so much fruit meat. You have the honey. You have some. Still, I have the marzipan.
This is marzipan.
I'm sure you don't have it. You don't eat it in the Philippine oven. That's why you don't have it in your mind.
It's really good.
It's really marzipan.
Well, it's already a year.
Almost a year old. And the smell has the alcohol still.
Yeah, but
in a good way.
You can really it's like a combination of the smell of the alcohol with the flower with the honey. It's really good honey. Do you think?
It was good honey, yes. That's why I'm also look in the future for the pine mead I will make. You already drink again?
Every time we make
like it.
Every time we make a wine tasting, even without in the camera, he will say sometimes, "Oh, I wanted to try this," and then he wanted to say, "Oh, here you can try what it tastes if you like it or not." And then, the end, I will drink it everything, and he don't have.
It was with a William Parson mead.
Yeah, I really like it.
Days before, I just wanted to try it on Thursday
So,
that week.
mm,
I just wanted to try and give her, here, try just a little. And maybe it was still like this.
yeah.
Don't put a lot. And yeah, you drink everything.
But I drink everything. So now I have a lot of favorite. I have the classic mead. I have the Sir William. What is the name? I also like the strawberry mead. But I don't know. When we make the strawberry wine or strawberry mead, I don't know what will I like. Is the strawberry wine or the strawberry mead?
We already have it there, but then something happened. We don't have a hydrometer anymore.
Yeah, I broke it. And everything with all the hard work and with all the things he already clean all the bottles. Everything is in the
Behind
table.
my wife.
And when we start the camera and when we start the filming,
I broke it. I just wanted to check the classic mead. What we have there. When we finished in September, I said, traditional mead. I call it traditional mead. Here's classic mead. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't write anything.
Okay, but you have it in the video.
I have it in the video. I'm sure I have it in the video. Because I'm using the hydrometer there. So, you need to check the video to find out. Maybe
It's really good. This is really good. You need to make your own traditional classic meat because it's really
the problem
good.
is where we get this honey again.
If you have a good honey, then make.
That's the problem. I need to try it with the honey we have here from.
Because we also the one also we make from the one I like, the Sir Patrick's
Parsons. Sir William Parson.
Sir William Parson. I don't know if I say it right. We also use very, very good honey from the honey maker. Honey maker was
Beekeeper.
beekeeper.
Close. Maybe 1 hour from here.
Yes, he also
With the car.
that was the first we get a lot good honey from beekeeper because we usually always buy it in the grocery or yes, when we get good
But
deal. And then we buy it, and then it's really good in the Sir William, or this also the classic meat when you make Sir William because it's just honey.
it has herbs.
And
In Germany, it's still the meat.
yeah, it has herbs. The one I like it because the taste of the honey and just the honey and with the herbs together, it's really really
Maybe.
good.
And here are pure honey, but of course wildflower honey from Portugal. I'm sure they have also nice herbs there.
We need to go to Portugal to get honey.
I think the drive there or the plane is a little bit expensive.
I
to
think
just get honey.
I'm more now used to drink and taste and drink wine or meat because every week I need to drink because he always said, "Oh, you need to try this. You need to try this," because of course he wants someone that will taste and give an opinion of what the taste of his what did he do, and then I need to make it every week. And every time we're drinking, I drink a lot, I drink more. He drink just a little.
Yeah, you see. I'm still try to find out the flavor, but I also have now lavender honey. Maybe it's also a good traditional.
But you just buy it in the grocery.
It just in the grocery, but it's lavender honey. Also the pine honey. I'm sure it's also nice in a classic mead. So I will make them to classic mead.
It's really good.
She like it. Not too bad. I just buy 1 kilogram lavender honey.
Well, you will try if you like it, and then we will buy again.
I also really like it. Have a good flavor.
It don't have the aftertaste is so it's mild. It don't hurt your throat, because of course when you're a good drink, you drink a lot more, or because I am not really since before I get married, I really don't drink something like this, meat or wine.
Just beer.
Yeah, just
Sometimes.
beer. But sometimes, really sometimes, just maybe I will be drunk one time a year, but not drunk. That's so drunk, so something like that.
Similar to me,
So-
I'm not really.
When I first
drinker.
time that always trying meat or wine, I always have like the alcohol here in the throat that I don't like the aftertaste, but it tastes so tough. Or maybe because I always drink wine, but I really like it. It don't have something hurting there.
Yeah. I really like the flavor. It's a really good honey.
There's a difference. When he drinking, he drink it a little bit. He need to think what he drink. When I drink, I just drink and drink until it finish. When he drink, he need to close his eyes
I
and
wanted
before
to taste everything.
he was his drink was his ausschlucken. Was is that in English? Was his ausschlucken?
Look in before I swallow.
Yeah, before he swallow, he need to let it stay a little bit in his mouth. But I just drink.
It really had a great body. I don't know. It's in your mouth, but not heavy. It's just light in your mouth, but
Yeah.
everywhere. And
Basta,
It's nice.
I just drink.
just drink.
That's why I drink. Maybe I'm not a good wine taster, but I drink wine. I taste it.
Maybe we need to make a wine tasting training,
Wine tasting class.
wine tasting class, and bringing our meat. Maybe they will like it.
I just drink.
Really nice flavor. But I still have the marzipan in my like we buy in Christmas. Maybe you try it. Yeah.
What
It's normally surrounded by chocolate. It's a white paste.
Okay.
We need to buy it at Christmas. So remember me to buy marzipan. I like it. I still have something. And we still have a big bottle.
It also have black tea. You also put
Yeah.
black tea.
Of course, to make the tannin inside.
Black tea. Okay.
So every time if you
But
make a traditional or classic mead, put some black tea inside.
But there is no other herb inside. Like...
No, only black tea because it's giving the tannin the heaviness in the mouth. That's make it not so thin.
Okay.
I'm sure without it more thinner.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I remember I backsweeted.
Maybe.
I don't know. It's difficult. 1 year already, and on the 19th of September
You finish it.
we finish it. I finish it. So 5 months it was in fermentation and in just resting on the in the cabinet. I really like it. And we have a
also
lot of
like
more.
it. Yeah, but not now.
Not now. Yeah, we need to drink just small.
Yeah.
Good, we don't have a lot of tasting videos after each other, I'm sure. One is enough.
One is enough.
But when we make the strawberry, we need to make 2 tasting, but just small.
Okay.
Okay, but the classic mead with the honey from Portugal is
Really,
nice.
really good.
So, wildflower honey from Portugal, if you can buy it, give it a chance. It's really good. Okay, we see us the next time. And here are 2 more videos. And yes, one of them is how I make this mead. Still alone.
Yeah.
The last year I just was alone. We see you the next time. Bye.